Hi there, this is Alan, the Digital Mentor, and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Digital Mentor, to help you to understand and navigate the digital landscape. I have so many great videos on this channel that I do hope you're going to learn from and enjoy as well. We also have podcasts and a wide variety of tutorials as well. You think about it this way. Your brand is what gives you credibility. Ensuring that it stands out online is what we do, and I help you to navigate the digital landscape. So if you want to learn more, why not visit our website at thedigitalmentor.ie. You can also follow me on social media, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel here as we upload fantastic tutorials and videos every week. I look forward to talking to you soon, and if you want to connect with me, please do reach out and connect with me across all of the social media platforms, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day, and as I always say, be social.